severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lake County, Northern Arnold County, Southwestern Isani County, Southeastern Sherburne County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Albertville, or 11 miles east of Buffalo, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh, that's thunder I'm hearing.
Expected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Otsego around 8:35 p.m.
What is the SVR for? Anoka, Isanti, Sherburne, and Wright.
Around 8:50 p.m. Ham Lake around 9 p.m. East Bethel around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nodon, Oak Grove, Bethel, and Cedar. For your protection, move to an interior room